installed, start up the XNess Trader. Choose Register, then tap here to select your country. Tap this to continue. Enter your email address and tap here to continue. Create a password for your personal area following the password requirements, then tap here. Enter a mobile number to register to your XNess account. It must be active in the selected country. Tap Send Code to continue. Enter the 6-digit verification code sent to your mobile number, then tap Continue. Create a 6-digit passcode, which will be used to sign in to XNess Trader. Then re-enter it to confirm it. You'll be prompted to allow biometric or Face ID for sign-in, but you can skip this step for now. You will be greeted by the deposit area in XNess Trader. Tap back to return to the main area. Congratulations! You've set up XNess Trader. To sign in with an existing XNess account, select Sign In from the launch page and enter your XNess account login. You will still need to set a 6-digit passcode when you sign in for the first time with an existing XNess account. A prompt to allow biometrics or Face ID for sign-in will also be presented here when you first sign in. Now you are logged in and ready to use XNess Trader. Thank you for choosing XNess.